Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Money Excel. Today we are going to discuss about 10 best mobile trading app in India. Before looking into 10 best mobile app, we need to first understand mobile trading app. Buying and selling of stocks are very easy nowadays. This can be done with a click of a button anytime, anywhere. Yes friends, I am talking about mobile trading app. The usage of the mobile trading app is growing exponentially thanks to the technology, as you can download trading apps and perform quick trading, get alerts, read the news and access your portfolio at fingertips. My friend Jayesh Patel, who is 40-year-old IT professional in MNC company, he started making money in the stock market by trading when he was 35 years old, but left in between. Why? Because he was not getting time in the office and it was difficult for him to do trading by visiting the trading terminal installed on the desktop. He has now started using mobile trading app for stock market trading. There are many examples like this. As per the latest report, more than 60% of stock market trading happens via mobile app. It is due to comfort, anytime anywhere access, speed of operations and availability of mobile apps by leading stock brokerage houses. In order to discuss best mobile trading app, we need to understand what is mobile trading app. The mobile trading app is an application that gets installed on your mobile device, and this allows you to do trading in the stock market on the move. It requires an internet connection and it is one of the convenient and cheapest way to do trading. Additionally, you will get access to market news, portfolio, alerts, etc. on the mobile trading app. You will be able to save time and do a faster transaction using a mobile trading app. Here is 10 best mobile trading app in India 2020 and 2021. The apps are shortlisted based on speed, performance, reviews, features and usability. Number 1, there is a Zerodha Kite mobile app. Zerodha Kite is a trading and investing app for modern times. Kite is a small version of Zerodha's trading platform. This app provides a clean and intuitive UI with super fast speed. You can manage all your trading and investment using this app. This app comes with biometric 2FA, that is fingerprint and face ID. This app also provides the facility to logging into the dark mode. The features of Kite by Zerodha are given below. It has intuitive UI with faster response time, biometric logging for better security, then trading view charts along with the chart IQ, then order update and push notification, filters and search options on the market, dark mode facility and seamless logging to other apps in Zerodha universe. It is well said that every coin has two sides. Like that, this app also comes with pros and cons. Pros are biometric access is possible, very good performance, and cons are Google Play Store rating is low, that is 4.1. Grow mobile trading app comes. Grow is the most popular and preferred stock and mutual fund investing app. You need to open a Demat account in order to use this app. The best part is you can invest in direct mutual fund SIP and lump sum at zero commission from your app. It is claimed to be fast, easy and secure. Key features of Grow mobile trading app are simple and easy to use with KYC facility in app, investment recommendation by experts in different categories, mutual fund SIP calculator is available, one-click stock trading with buy and sell facility, chart, historical performance and information on the move. High level of security standard used for all the transaction. Along with this feature, there are certain advantages also available with Grow mobile trading app. that is no transaction charges, direct mutual fund investment can be possible, intuitive and beautiful UI, track your external investments, and the facility of moving investment from other apps to grow. On number 3, Angel Broking Demat account and stock trading app comes. Angel Broking stock trading app allows you to do trading at your fingertips anytime, anywhere. Angel Broking offers more than 40 technical chart indicators and overlays for doing analysis and trade. Key features of the Angel Broking Demat account and stock trading app are: it provides intraday charts with indicator, online payment via 40 plus banks, multiple watch lists with segments, instant news update and market trends, mutual fund investments, advisory calls, ARQ based portfolio, health check utility with the advantage of very good mobile interface, integrated ARQ tool and access to report, advisory and portfolio. It has also disadvantages like web and mobile both login does not work at the same time and application crashes sometimes. That's it. iPesa mobile trading app comes on the 4th number, and it is one of the best trading apps that offers multiple features including one-click order placement. You can do order placement by clicking on the chart. You can make use of 5paisa research and advisory product screeners, Sensible, etc. while trading using 5paisa mobile app. You can also invest in direct mutual funds, insurance, digital gold using 5paisa mobile app. Key features of the 5paisa mobile app are: facility to trade in equity, derivatives, commodity, currency segments, live updates on stock prices and quotes from BSE, NSE and MCX, multiple charts and advanced technical analysis, one-click order placement with lightning fast speed, watch list is created, a facility with sync across devices, robo investment advisor facility, price alerts and instant notification on apps with the advantages like award winning app with multiple facilities, good privacy protection, encryption of data with 256-bit SSL. One can buy mutual funds and insurance via this app, but here the customer support is little bit poor. Goes to ICICI Direct app. It is one of the best trading and investment mobile app. You know what? I am also using this app for past 6 months. You need to just open a Demat account at ICICI in order to use this app. You can trade and invest in equity, mutual funds, FD, IPO bonds using this app. Features of this app are: dashboard view for the watch list and market movers, market research and reports on the move, alert and notification, trading in equity, FNO, currency, track trade book and order book, view portfolio on the move, charts and heat map facility, along with the advantages like fingerprint based authentication, fast and easy to use interface, facility to invest in IPO and FD. This app comes with only one disadvantage, and that is Google Play rating is very low for this app. Number 6 goes to IIFL Markets. It is one of the most popular and downloaded mobile trading app. IIFL Market is awarded the best trading app in India by Zee Business Awards. IIFL Markets allow instant trading and to broking customer. It also allows for guest logging using OTP. You can also invest in mutual funds using this app. Features of the IIFL Market are: in-depth analysis and expert tips on mobile, interactive design and charts on screen, price alert via mobile app and news on the move, derivative section for trading in options and futures, one-tap support to experts, mutual fund investment via mobile app. It has various advantages like dual stock watch facility, faster speed and intuitive interface, options to invest in mutual funds and IPO. Having disadvantage like recovery of the password is difficult and time consuming. That's it about IIFL Markets ad. On number 7, Upstox Pro app comes. This app provides a simple and seamless trading experience for the end user. Upstox Pro helps you to analyze the stock market in a real-time basis. You need to open a Demat account in order to use Upstox Pro app. Key features are 100 plus technical indicators in real time, clean and user-friendly UI, predefined customized watch list, real-time market feed and unlimited price alerts, switch between day and night mode theme, trade using same ID on the web as well as on the mobile app. This app has certain disadvantages like sometimes face error of lag with real-time market. But yes friends, it has two pros. Options to trade from the chart, unlimited price alerts and watch list, and very good support. So number 8 goes to HDFC Securities mobile trading app. It is claimed to be the next generation trading app. It is easy to use and easy to navigate the mobile trading app. This app has a secure biometric login using fingerprint and face recognition. Features of the HDFC Securities mobile trading app are real-time charting and instant access to trending investment ideas, then trade in equity as well as derivatives, get stock details in a single click, get news and notification on market events, tap and find the next investment opportunity, trading as well as investment facility on the move. It is having certain advantages like multiple accounts can be managed in a single app, safe and secure trading with the higher security standards, trade and get notification alerts at the same time. Along with the disadvantages like the size of app is larger and it occupies more space. Detailed report facility is not available for the customer. To Motilal Oswal AMO trading app. This is easy to use trading app that provides advanced and intuitive interface and features. The popularity of this app is growing gradually. This app provides the facility of equity, forex trading and commodity trading. You can enjoy one-click trading on this app. It is dynamic trading app. The features are the options of strategy builder with the customization, live technical charts, facility to square off position with a single click, global search bar to search for stock, currency, commodity, customization in the app bottom bar and access data, support to Sensible platform, trade guide signal tool, along with the advantages like facility to buy and sell with a single click, support for other trading platforms and saving order and executing later. But friends, it has only one negative part, and that is its Google Play rating is very low. 10 goes to Kotak Stock Trader app. Kotak Stock Trader app is a dynamic shared trading platform. You can trade in real time and track the market using a mobile app. You can get the facility on in-depth analysis on the app while doing transactions. Key features of the Kotak Stock Trade app are given below. Manage your portfolio on the move, place the order in few taps, track stock market with charting tools, invest in IPO, mutual fund, ETF and bonds, then monitor the stock portfolio at any time. It is having advantages like higher level of security with multiple authentications, allows selling from position view page, but its experience is very average. Thank you for listening to me. Please subscribe to our channel Money Excel and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.